Focus on this. These people. Now you can count these people. These are 2 people. If you are able to bring only 2 people, then I guarantee you that you can gain 4,096 people within your goal tree in 1 year. Let me repeat what I said. I told you that if you can guarantee to bring 2 persons with the right direction, after teaching him the whole procedure in the right direction, if you can bring 2 persons, I can guarantee you that you will be having 4,096 people within your goal tree in 1 year. Now the people ask, how is it possible if we can bring only 2 persons, that this goal tree will be having 4,096 entries in only 1 year? Let me give you a mathematical proof for that. For example, pretend that you are you, and when you join in this tree, I told you that you have to bring one on left, one on right, only 2 entries. As I told you earlier that you have to bring only 2 persons. I promised Mr. Yu to bring 2 persons only. Mr. Yu brought 2 persons. For example, I gave him 1 whole month to just bring only 2 persons. Mr. Yu brought these 2 entries within 1 month, and in the first month, Mr. Yu had 2 entries. Mr. Yu had 2 entries in first month. Similarly, Mr. Tick also duplicated the same words to the followers, and Mr. Yu said to Mr. Tick that you have to bring 2 persons. Mr. Yu said to Mr. Tick that you also have to bring 2 persons, and Mr. Yu gave these 2 persons another month. So now Mr. Tick and Mr. Tick has another 1 month and has to bring only 2 persons each. You can see easily that Mr. Yu brought 2 persons in 1 month. Now Mr. Tick brought 2 persons and Mr. Tick brought 2 persons. So you can see that these 2 ticks have brought 1, 2, 3, 4 entries in second month. In first month there were 2 entries. Now in second month there are 4 entries. Similarly, Mr. Tick told to this Mr. Tick that you have to bring 2 persons. Mr. Tick told to this person that you have to bring 2 persons. Mr. Tick told to this person you have to bring 2 persons. Mr. Tick told to this person you have to bring 2 persons. Now you can calculate that another month has been given to these persons, and this person has brought 2 persons, this person has brought 2 persons, this person has brought 2 persons, this person has brought 2 persons. So in third month, first month you have 2 entries, second month you have 4 entries, now third month you have 2, 4, 6, 8 entries within your tree. Now you can guess that this person will be 2 person again, this person will bring 2 person again, this person will bring, so that 8 2s are 16. On duplicating, you will be having 16. Then 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048 and 4096. Now, as I promised earlier, that if you promise to bring only 2 persons, not more than 2, then you can gain 4096 persons within your goal tree in 1 year. And this is my mathematical proof. See, on the first month we had 2 entries, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month, seventh month, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you can see by your own eyes, you can feel that the promise that I did really is there, that you have gained within your goal tree 4096 entries in 12 months, and 12 months equals to 1 year. It is simple as that. But as I told you before, the duplication is very necessary. Whatever you have learned should be given to the others in the same manner, in the same way as I am telling you. And if you are able to do this duplication, I guarantee you, you will be having 4096 entries within your goal tree in 1 year. Why I have stopped here? This is the question. Let me answer you. I haven't stopped here basically the company has stopped me and you here, and the company has told us if there is any person who can bring 4,096 people in 1 year, in 2 years, in 3 years, depends upon your efforts because it is your own business. If you can bring these 4,096 people irrespective of the time period, so then the company promised us to give up to $450 per day forever. Sir, after achieving this 4,096 people, the company promises each member that the company will be paying up to $450 per day, then and so on. Now, basically, $450 per day, not monthly, it is per day. It is no doubt a worthy amount for me and you. And if you convert this into 30 days, you will see that how much income you have earned. I have written $450 per day. If you multiply by 30 days, you will be seeing, you will be watching a huge amount in terms of dollars there. Because I am a Pakistani, in Pakistan there is $450. When we multiply it by 30 days, it becomes nearly 11 lakh, 1.1 million rupees. It is a huge amount for us. Now, basically, let me give you one thing more, that the first cash commission will be yours, the second cash commission will be yours, the third cash commission will be in your hand, the fourth commission will also be in your hand, but the fifth one will be in your hand, but in the form of GVs. What is GV stand for? GVs stand for gold watchers. Gold watchers. Sir, let me clear you one thing, that the first cash commission comes into your hand, $30 cash commission. The second one is also yours, cash commission. Third one is also yours. Fourth one is also yours. But basically, the fifth cash commission is yours, but in the form of voucher worth of $30. That means after getting $120 as a cash, 30, 30, 16, 30, 19, 120. After getting $120 as a cash, after enjoying this 4 cash commission, the fifth one will be in form of gold voucher. It will not be in form of cash. The 6th cash commission will be yours in terms of cash. The 7th one will be yours. The 8th one, the 9th one will be cash. But the 10th one will again be GVs. That means 5th, 10th, 15th, 20, 25th, and so on. You can guess after 25 you will be getting 25th. So after 4, the 5th is a gold voucher. After 6, 7, 8, 9, the 10th one is also gold voucher. So these are the gold vouchers. That means in this sequence, 5th, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, you will be getting gold vouchers in your gold voucher account. Now a question arises here, that what is this gold vouchers for? So I can give you an example. For example, I use credit cards. Hopefully you also enjoy the credit cards. What happens basically when I go for shopping with the family, I use that credit card, and at the end of the month I receive a bill, and in that bill I have some points against my spendings. I happily sum up these points in 3 months or 5 months or 6 months, 7 months. Then after the summation of these points I order a product which is being offered to me by that bank, and then when I have achieved such amount of points, then obviously I request the bank to redeem that product against my points. Sir, I don't buy these goods with my own pocket. What actually I do, I sum up my points that is being offered to me against the spending